In this video, you'll be learning how to automatically start a website on Startup in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome. The moment you are here, you need to proceed here at the search bar and type for the particular website that you would like to automatically start with. Let's say, for example, in my case. Okay, so just type the website that you would like to automatically start, okay? The moment you've typed that, hit the enter key so that you would be navigated to the result. Okay, so you would get a first option or a result. Please click on this Wikipedia, okay? And once you are here in this Wikipedia page, you just have to wait until it would be set for you and try to adjust the Google Chrome first and make it smaller. Okay, so click on wait. And once you have, once it is being ready, press Windows key and R key together so that you would be able to bring up a small window called run. Here, please type for shell colon startup. Once done typing, hit the OK button so that you would be navigated to the result. So from here, you need to adjust as well the size of this window. Try to make it smaller so that we can see the other one, okay, which is our website. Okay. Now, once you have adjust all of the sizes, just have to navigate here, okay, in this address bar and click on this one and this icon and try to make a left click, press and hold it and drag the Wikipedia here, okay? Okay. Then release it, okay? And once you have pasted it here, you can now minimize the window and close this one. And from here, just restart your computer. So navigate here at the start icon and go with your power menu options and click on restart. The moment you've clicked on restart, you would be able to automatically start the particular website that you have added at the startup. And in that way, you would be able to open it automatically when you will be able to, or when you will be starting your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay? So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.